Let's have another hand. Jack and Mary taking the bow. Beautiful. Okay, hold it. Not too much. Save a little bit for the next act. And now, one of the great sopranos of our time with a hit song of today. Ladies and gentlemen, in a magnificent production, we present to you Miss Kathie Sullivan, the Golden Crush.
The ballroom was filled with fashion strong. It shone with 1,000 lights. And there was a woman who passed along, the fairest of all the sights. A girl to her lover then softly sighed, there's riches at her command. But she married for wealth, not for love, he cried, though she lived in a mansion grand. She's only a girl in a gilded cage, a beautiful sight to see. You may think she's happy and free from care. She's not, though she seems to be. She's sad when you think of her wasted life, but you cannot make with age, and her beauty was sold for an old man's gold. She's a bird